to JMAX Arcade and Cinema. Thought it would be an appropriate area to unbox the latest surprise gift from my awesome wife. And it has to do with this. Everybody asks where I got this from. This was a gift from a good friend of mine who used to work at GameStop and looked at it for years and asked the manager one day if he could have it. So sat in the closet forever, I guess, at one point, and they did end up giving it to him. So he bequeathed it to me indefinitely to fit the decor of the arcade. But he gets to enjoy it too because we watch fights at the cinema and movies. And anyway, back to the product at hand. Somehow my wife has gotten awesome at scoring impossible cool stuff. So, thanks babe for being awesome. Resale is still really high on the Xbox One X, PS4s, PS4 Pros. There's really nothing that I'm interested in playing at this point on the Xbox Series X, but dude, if I'm able to get one, heck yeah. So I'll just sell my Series X, One X. If anybody's interested, you're welcome to buy it. I don't know how much I'm gonna sell it for, but anyway. Someone in another video asked me also about the knife. They like that. I think I got this from Cabela's. It's a Kershaw knife. There's a couple different sizes of it, but anyway. So here it is. I'm a little late to the game. It's been out for a while, but still hard to find. So, how do we open this? All right, little pull tab here. Personally, I love the design of the Series X. At first, you know, it obviously does look like a mini fridge, and Microsoft graciously gave us a mini fridge now for real, so that's cool. But yeah, the PS5, not a huge fan of it, but in another video I have the dark plates that I got, and I like it better with the dark plates. So a couple more tabs here. The Microsoft unboxings are always similar to that of like Apple products. They try and make it a cool experience, but I guess that's one of their main competitors, if you want to call it that. You want to stand up and take a look at the... Oh, like, dude, how cool is that? That is so awesome. Let's see. Very cool. And alright, I'm assuming the controller's back here, and cables, HDMI cable, and I've been hearing, you know, a lot about that this controller's not quite as reliable as the last generation because there's some drifting issues, but that people do think it's a little more comfortable, a little smaller, but I like it. Should be nice. I like the D-pad. Let's get this stuff out of the way. Okay. Power your dreams, I guess. Power your dreams. Sadly, there's no games I care about playing to power my dreams with, so we'll have to wait on that. It's not too heavy. Feels like maybe just because it's bigger, but the PS5 feels heavier. from what I recall. As if this is the first time any of us have seen this, but it's the first time I've seen one in person. And yeah, absolutely adore this design over the PS5. So cool. So yeah, there it is. And one day when Halo comes out, and I know they're getting some other cool exclusives, we'll check those out. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. It's fun doing this. I mostly do it just for myself to remember cool stuff, and my daughter is gracious enough to help me film these once in a while. So anyway, talk to you later.